Hello, my name is Ira. I am 18 years old. I am from Khmelnytsky, but now I study and live in Ivano-Frankivsk. I am a student of Vasily Stefanik Prekarpatian National University at Foreign Languages Department. I really have a lot of hobbies. I like watching films, listening to music, baking cakes, and creating some things. For example, handbags from flour. Oh, I attend gym twice a week. It is my passion. I like foreign languages. Now I am studying English and German. It is very interesting for me. My family is neither big nor small, but whole my family lives in another city. So, it consists of my mother, my father, and my youngest sister. My sister is 9 years old, and she is a schoolgirl. My father is a businessman, and my mother is a housewife. I love them very much. Also, I want to travel. That's why I want the USA to become my first country to visit. There I can improve my English skills and get new experience. I also can make new friends all over the world. Moreover, I can learn about USA culture from inside and share my culture with Americans. Also, I want to see places that I have seen only on TV, on my own eyes. Because I think that it is better to see something once than hear about it 1,000 times. So, thank you for your attention. See you soon. Goodbye.